Hi all, welcome to Hunt IAS. In this video, we will be discussing two important aspects of mains answer writing. First thing is why toppers copy is important. Second thing is how toppers are writing their answers. So, why toppers copy is important? The thing is, actually the UPSC won't provide any answer key for the GS, that is General Studies mains paper. So only way to know or to unlock the mindset of UPSC evaluators to analyze the toppers answer sheets, so that we will get to know what actually UPS wants from us. So second thing is how actually UPSC toppers are writing a good answer, almost approaching, their answers will be approaching almost perfection. How they are writing such answers within short span of time. So let's analyze. So here I have taken 2023 Air 1's answer sheet. We will be analyzing his culture answer. So before that, we should know that for each answer there will be intro, then body, then conclusion. Intro should reflect the core keyword. Conclusion should be reflecting what ideas or what is it should be futuristic in general. Then body should have different subparts. Those subparts should be, maybe they will be implicit subpart or explicit subpart. Marks are given to explicit subpart, and implicit subparts will make your answer almost holistic. So let's see how topper has written his answer. So the question is traditional. Just a minute. Okay. Traditional theatre forms of India reflects ideals and emotions of society, individuals' role in community. So the core keyword is theatre forms. Let's take it as K. Then question is asking how it reflects ideals and emotions and individuals' role in community. So the question is asking us to explain how K is linked to A. How K is linked to B. So this is our first subhead. This is our second subhead. So we need to write our body of the answer based on this deconstruction. So let's see how the topper has written his introduction. In this we can see recently Ram Leela and Mudiyat were rewarded as intangible heritage and are already there in UNESCO intangible list. So here we can see recently. So here topper is giving context of the question in intro. Actually there are different ways to write intro. We will be discussing in our Phoenix program. For the details you can refer to our Telegram channel. So next thing is how it reflects the ideals and emotions of society. So this subheading is linked to K and A. Next subheading, you can see the next subheading. Here K is linked to B. This is second subheading. So in this way he deconstructed his structure. So how we will see how the topper has made his answer. Here we can see K1 is linked to A1. That here K1 is what? Ram Leela. He has taken traditional theatre form K1. Then A1 is the lives of the people, importance of epics. So emotions is you can link to religion. Religion is becoming an emotion. So actually explicitly he didn't mention this religion. So actually he can do that also. So he is reflecting one theatre form to another emotion called religious emotion. So this is first point. Second point, he is linking another theatre form to another emotion or ideal. Here you can see Krishna Leela. He is linking to love. Here we can see another theatre form is linking to A3. Next we can generate as many as possible points, like linking K4 to A4. Just we need to deconstruct this keyword into a particular theatre forms, and then we need to deconstruct ideal and emotions of society into that should be deconstructed. So here we can make n number of points. I hope you understand how to generate points. Then second part, again the same formula. Again K1 can be linked to B1, that is individual's role. The role may be family role, societal role, economic role, like that we need to. Next point is K2 can be B2, K3 B3, K4 B4. In this way, he is generating his points. Here K1 he has taken as the theater forms by these values. Altruistic nature. Here B1, the emotion or the individual's role is altruistic role. That means helping others. You can see different theater form. Here he didn't mention any theater form, but actually we can give as example. For example, Ramlila, he is telling how we can help society or how we can make society enlightened. So theater form, particular theater form is giving a particular or is reflecting an individual's role in community. So in that, for example, we can see here third point, Odisha style of theater. This is a type of a theater. Let it be K3. Then values of I think it's marine. I'm not able to read it. Life centricity of human. You can link with what? Nature. Another individual's role be environment conservation. So this way we can link different one part of the question to another part of the question. Here you can see fourth point. Here K4. This is a theater form Ramakutu. Then way of life of the individual. Purushottam, way of life of the individual. This is B4. So this way we are generating points under each subheading. So our subheading is what? The general form of subheading is K is to B. Then points under it is K1 to B1, K2 to B2. Like that we can generate points. Now we are moving to conclusion, because this 10 marker question only demand us to write two important things or two subparts. So next we are analyzing how he has written his conclusion. Thereby theater traditionally were a means of socialization. Just see this word, means of socialization. Need to preserve them for future generations to see and learn. So he is becoming more optimistic, and he is telling the importance why they should be preserved. So here we can see the simple but powerful, these keywords, means of socialization. In short, it is telling significance of such theater forms. I hope you understand. Similarly, we can deconstruct any question. Let it be 10 marker or 15 marker. We can deconstruct into subheads, and we can generate multi-dimensional point, not just points, multi-dimensional points with proper validation to your arguments, so that you can easily write enough number of words, that enough number of points quantitatively and qualitatively within given time limit. And I hope you understand, and I hope you will be making best use of this section. Also I would like to again remind you that we have a Phoenix program. I hope everyone went through the plan or schedule of that program. Do make join and get into the peak level of answer writing. All the best.